So I've copied out the expanded form of the equation of a circle here, which was seen in a previous video. So if you've got a circle x minus g all squared plus y minus f all squared equals r squared, then we can expand it out in this form here, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. And the centre of this circle is going to be minus g minus f, and the radius is going to be given by the root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So again, these things are best seen by example. So let's say I gave you the equation of a circle here in expanded form, and we had x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0, and I ask you to find the centre of this circle and also the radius of the circle. So first of all, we can find our values of our g and our f. So we've got the coefficients of x here, which are 2g, so I'll just write over here. So 2g is equal to, well, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 6. So 2g is equal to 6. So g is equal to 612, which is 3. So now we're interested in the coefficient of y. So we can say that our 2f is equal to the coefficient of the y. So the coefficient of the y here is 2. So f must equal 1. So it means that the value for g and f are going to be 3, 1. So it means that the centre of the circle is going to be minus g minus f. So the centre of the circle is going to be given by minus 3 minus 1. So that's one part of the problem solved. Now the next part is finding out the radius. So the radius is going to be given by the root of the g squared. So we've got our g, which is equal to 3. So the root of 3 squared is 9, plus the value of f squared is 1. And we've also got the minus c. So it's going to be minus, now what is the value of c? Well, c is just the constant term, so the c is the minus 6, so it's minus 6. So this means the radius is going to be equal to the root of 9 plus 1 is 10 plus the 6, which is 16. So the radius is equal to 4. So that means that this equation in expanded form here is the equation of a circle whose centre is minus 3 minus 1 and the radius is a value of 4. So let's look at another example of this. So let's look at this example here. Let's say you were given the equation of the circle is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 8y minus 8 equals 0. So again, you look for the coefficient of the x. So the coefficient of x here is 10. So you can say that the 2g is equal to 10. So g must be equal to a value of 5. Again, now the coefficient here of the y is minus 8. So we can say here that 2f is equal to minus 8. So that's the coefficient of y, which is 2f, and the coefficient of y here is minus 8. So it means that f is going to equal to minus 8 upon 2, which is a value of minus 4. So we've got the two values here for our g and f. Our g is 5 and f is minus 4. So we know that the centre of the circle is going to be minus g minus f. So the centre of the circle is going to be given by minus 5, and the minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So that's one part of the problem solved. Now we're also looking for the radius, and we know the radius is going to be equal to the root of g squared. Well, g is equal to a value of 5, so 5 squared is 25, plus the f squared. Well, f is minus 4, so minus 4 squared is 16, and then we're going to have the value of c, so it's going to be minus c. Well, c is minus 8, so minus 8 is plus 8. So we're going to have the radius r is going to be equal to the root of 25, so that's going to be 35, 41, 49. So the root of 49, so r is equal to 7. So it means that this expanded form of the equation of the circle here is nothing other than a circle which is centred at -5, 4 and has got a radius of 7. So that's all for this video. I'll get you in the next video. Goodbye.